Assalamualaikum to Sir Rosmadi. Today here I want to present my source code for CSO project. So basically this is my code. This is about pizza billing system. My code is not too complex. It's quite simple. I will try my best to explain. So this is my data. My data contains two things, which is data write and data byte. So this is for my data write things, which to display at the screen. So basically my system will display five things, which is firstly is island tuna, deluxe cheese, beef pepperoni, chicken supreme and super supreme. So this is the item, uh, and I at this part as data byte. For number one is the user key in. It will store the user key in. So it is for quantity. For this answer is the calculating part, which is after user key in the quantity, it will be multiplied with the price here, and it will store the price at answer. So this is my main program or main code. At here this is for header, for and secondly this is the start I put here is to for the selection. So at this part user will M1 will be displayed for and then it will go to the menu. For menu it will display this part M2, which is the menu that they have to choose, and it will ask please select this part. It will ask here at this part, and user have to key in here. And if user key in the number like 1, 2 or 3, it will go to the selections like here. For if user key in 1, it will go to the number 1 is tuna, so it will go to the tuna. This is the part that if user key in if user key in 1, so it has to go to tuna part. So if user key in 1, it will be go here at this part as tuna. User have to key in the quantity. After user key in the quantity will be stored at number 1, and number 1 will be multiplied with tuna price, which is 5 ringgit, and then it will store the calculation answer at here. Then at this part is to display the answer at total price field, which is here M6 total price field, and this is to display the total price. And after display that total price, it will be jump to thank you. Thank you is the part that either user want to continue or user want to terminate the program. So this is the code for thank you, which is the code will execute user want to continue or not. So after this is execute, user have to key in the number to continue the program or to terminate. If user key in 1, the program will continue. It will go to the start and continue like normal. If user key in other than number 1 like 0 or AB, something like that, the program will display thank you and it will be terminate. So basically that is my program. It's quite simple, and let's try to run this program. So run, and this is the program, which is the the header for welcome to pizza will be displayed from here, and which pizza that you want to that you want is displayed from here. And for the menu here, it will be displayed from here, and please select is from here, from this thing. So this field is to key in, so you have to key a number based on this label that we have already put here. So I will press number 1. So if I press number 1, the number 1 is for tuna, so the program will jump to the tuna part, uh, to calculate the program, which is at this code. It will execute enter quantity, so user have to enter the quantity either 1 or 2, or it's not, doesn't matter how many quantity you want to enter, but he have to make sure that the quantity he key in, when calculate with tuna price, not exceed from 100, because our program only can show the accurate number for 2 digits. If it become to 3 digits like 100, it will be show the symbol for 100. So I will key in 2 for quantity, and it will be display the total price. The total price part calculation is here at tuna. For tuna is here. This is the calculation part for tuna. So the tuna price is 5 ringgit. When I enter quantity 2, 2 will be times with 5, so it become 10, so the total price is 10. And I put here AAM. The AAM is to display 2 digits, for example 10. If I didn't put this AAM, the program will show symbol for 10, which is A. So A is the meaning for 10, right? uh, and after display this thing, it will jump to thank you. After at thank you, it will display reorder, press 1, or to exit press any key. So this is the code for reorder, and this is the code for press any key. So this is basically to user key in. So if user key in 1, here, the program will continue from the beginning, which is when user key in 1 here, the program will jump to the start again to generate the program like normal. So I have to start from the beginning. I will select number 2, and quantity is 3. It display 30, and here if I put 0, the program will terminate. So this is the code for thank you, and this is to terminate the program. So basically that is our program. It's too simple, and I hope that our program not totally fulfill the requirement, but we have tried our best to fulfill the requirement. We hope sir will accept this project. Thank you.